to infinity and beyond. It's Christmas!
The Christmas bells have begun to chime, a telltale signal of the festive time. With carols abounding and gifts here and there, the spirit of sharing and love's in the air. In a cozy little home lying in the city's heart, waits a jumpy young girl full of joy in her heart. With her smile and her giggle and the glow in her eyes, surely our shining girl is in for a surprise.
It's Christmas! It's New Year, Andy. Shush. I found my gifts. There's so many. There's Woody and there's Fairy Godmother, Buzz, Hansel and Gretel. Thank you, Santa. How did you know they were my favorites? Duh, it's Santa. You're gonna sit right here. Oh no, he fell off the cliff. It's time to call dun 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 Buzz Lightyear. Ta-da! You saved your best friend. Hansel and Gretel and where's Cinderella? Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! I found you. Okay, I hope I get to play with you forever and ever and ever. Morning, Mom.
Hi, Anna. You want breakfast?
Yeah, but anything's okay.
Maybe I'll prepare something for you.
What's this for, Mom?
That I got it for your cousin. Di ba Pasko na?
Oh, you know, bagay yan sa toys ko. You know, I still have all of them. I still have Woody and Buzz, Cinderella, the Fairy Godmother, and then there's Hansel and Gretel pa nga eh.
Ay, that's good. You keep them in
Yeah.
shape.
But then, I'm going to college now, so I don't really know what I should do with them.
I'm sure you'll figure out something.
Uy, Pasko na. Excited na ako. Sana makatanggap ako ng regalo. Yung kahit isa lang, masayang-masaya na ako. Paminsan-minsan lang naman Pasko.
Oo nga eh. Kaya lang si nanay, nasa abroad siya nagtatrabaho. Namimiss ko na nga siya eh. Sana makauwi siya ngayong taon. Okay lang yan. Nandiyan naman si Santa Claus. May mga magagandang mangyayari ngayong Pasko. Feel na feel ko.
I wonder what I'm gonna do with them. It's not like I can bring them, but what's the right thing to do? I have an idea!
Here they are.
North Pole Donation Center?